Oh yeah, so we've got a Renault Master key. I just need to replace the battery. Replace it with like for like Panasonic CR1220, and I've already popped one out the back. I think these are about a £5 for 5 off Amazon, and that's it there. You just take it off your key ring and take the split ring out through there. It's got a little groove there. Just literally do that with it. Take it off and all the gubbins are inside there. Pull that out. Literally sits in there, just pulls out nice and easy. So you can see on there it's got engraving what it is. That should be facing you up. So here's the new one. It's a quick job. That's it, replaced. Just press it in. There you go. Yeah.
Easy start.
Push it back on. And that's it, and then just put your back on your key. The split ring keeps it together basically. It's nice. That's it done.
And what year is this for? Renault.
2003-4 ours is. Yeah.
Renault, yeah, Master.
Yeah, but you just pop them open. You see what battery is in there. Simple.
I think this is the standard battery for these type of key fobs.
Yeah. So
central locking key fobs. Thanks for watching.